Hey there, how's everyone doing today? As you can tell by the special Seiko box, we are looking at a new Seiko Astron. And let's go. One thing that's cool, this is a limited edition Seiko Astron, and the limited editions come with a little bit of an extra box. It's a little cooler than your average Astron box. And here we go. And you can see by those colors, the white, the red, and the blue. This is the special limited edition Novak edition watch. Very, very handsome presentation, clean lines. It's not too much. Some watch companies, they go nuts doing a gigantic box, and it gets to be almost like the box is fancier than the watch itself. But this is a nice size box. Not too big, and I think it really displays the watch well. The color combination here will match the colors on the watch. And here we go. Yep, there you go. The 2020 limited edition Novak watch. Limited edition for the Seiko ambassador and the fantastic tennis player. There you got the extra white strap that comes with the watch. Very cool. And you can see the Seiko buckle. Just this whole little thing they got there that displays the band. I mean, it's a fancy band display. Okay, and in that, let's go ahead and in the box also, it comes with this cool little flap talking about Novak and his accomplishments and how much he likes Seiko. And this watch is limited to only 1,500 watches. So now that we got the extra stuff, of course you got the warranty booklets and stuff also, but the little Novak insert was something kind of cool. And here you got the little pouch that they come in, the Seiko Astrons, and wow, look at the intensity of that blue. The gold, beautiful little accents in there. This is a really nice watch. The blue ceramic is outstanding. Look at the red insert here on the side. Wow. You see pictures of it online when they first say they're coming out, but this watch is really one you got to see in person. Right now, I think it might be my favorite Astron. It's just really nice looking. It's an unusual color combination for a watch with the blues and the reds. Well, I guess not really the blues and the reds that makes it unusual. I guess it's the combination of the way they did the colors, the blues, the reds, with a lot of the gold accents there. Usually you'll just see blue and red, kind of like patriotic colors. There you got the buckle, standard buckle on the Astrons. The colors on the watch here represent Novak's home nation flag. It's based on the Serbian flag and the colors from the Serbian flag. And it's just great looking. I had questions when I saw it. I don't know how cool it'd be, but in person it's definitely a lot better looking even than the promotional materials, even though it looks good in the promotional materials. What can I say? So Novak's been a Seiko ambassador since 2014. It's hard to believe it's been that long, but yeah, it's been over 6 years. And in that time, he's had a record of 16 Grand Slam victories, 34 ATP Tour Masters, and over 1,000 wins. So Novak, very successful tennis player. So this watch here is supposed to represent all of Novak's success, and it's kind of like a tribute to him, and that's why you've got the flags, the colors of his Serbian flag designed into the watch. On the case back, you got Novak's signature along with the serial number of the watch. Again, this is a limited edition, limited to 1,500 watches worldwide. Now this Astron is a 5x53 caliber. It's the GPS solar caliber Astron watch, and it's the best of the Astron series. I mean, I remember when Astron first came out, the watches were a lot clunkier. This new line is really slick, really nice, and this is a great addition. So for those of you that don't know, the GPS solar caliber, what it does is the 50x53 dual time. It connects twice a day to a GPS network, and it tells you, it automatically adjusts what the time is. So here you can see it on my wrist, and I've got about a 7.5-inch wrist. This is a great size watch. You can see it there. It feels great the way it curves onto your wrist and everything. Astrons are great watches for those who travel a lot. You go to a different time zone, different country, you just push the button and then the satellites correct the time on there for you. It's just a neat feature. It also has a perpetual calendar function in there, and it gives you the correct calendar up to February 2100, so 2100. So the watch you see here is 42.7 millimeters, and the thickness of it is 13.3. Here you can see it in the dark. You got a little bit of lume there. Kind of feels Art Deco-y the way the lume design is with the hands and stuff. It's very cool. It's nice to have at least some lume on there. I know some of Seiko's dress watches you don't have any lume, but when it's late at night, it's nice to have that little glow-in-the-dark feature. The bezel around the watch is ceramic, of course, and it's got a sapphire crystal with the super clear coating. It is 10 bar or 100 meter water resistance. And I'd like to thank you guys for taking the time to check out this video. Please like and subscribe. Have a good one, everyone.